Good morning, everyone. My name is Akash. Today, I'm going to present my final project for EAI 6020 titled as StockIntel-crew. So, this is an AI-powered stock analysis agent that leverages the latest advancement in NLP financial APIs and agent-based system to simplify the stock market research. So, what is a StockIntel-crew? StockIntel-crew is designed to automate the process of analyzing the data for the publicity traded companies. So it uses tools like LangChain, Streamlit, and OpenAPI GPT models to collect stock data, interpret financial indicators, and generate well-structured market down-based reports. So it helps users, whether they are investors or analysts, making data-driven decision by providing real-time and comprehensive stock evaluation. So I built this project solo, which meant designing the data pipeline, handling the AP limitations, integrating the LLM to generate the structured reports automatically. So the solution of AI integrates the ALM with financial data, also enabling the extract the real-time market time data and company data also, and also it analyze the financial health and investment risk also. The main goal of this project to democratize the access of to financial insight to make them available to everyday users. It's not just a big institutions. Traditional stock analysis like time-consuming, manual, and often inaccessible to the beginners. But with the AI, we can understand the financial terminology, cross-check and interpret matrices, create summaries, generate summaries, and risk assessment also. And also it recommend actions like buy, hold, or sell also. This turns complex data into something anyone can use instantly. Um, why we use the stock analysis agent? So traditional stock analysis like takes hours, involves gathering data also, but with the calculation and interpreting ratios with AI, especially we can understand the financial terms, cross-reference matrices, detect risk, and summarize findings in plain languages. Instead of spending 3 to 4 hours on a single stock, a user can get a clean, well-organized report in under 30 seconds. The project is made possible by combining five main technologies: LangChain, OpenGPT, YFinance, Streamlit, and Plotly. LangChain it coordinates AI and task chaining also. YFinance pull real-time financial stock and data. OpenGPT integrates interrupts the data and write financial report. Streamlit builds the interactive uh, web UI. Plotly build the chart used in for analysis. All of this runs in Python. The tool were chosen for their open source support and also the extensibility. The main features of this particular stock intel crew was it takes any stock in stock ticker as an input, collect and visualize 5 year stock history, extracts and displays the company fundamentals, highlight the matrices like market cap, P/E ratios, and revenue, etc. Provides the markdown report with AI generate insiders recommendation like buy, hold, or sell. The architecture, it has three layers: front end, back end, and the data source. Front end Streamlit plus Plotly, back end LangChain plus GPT, data sources from Y Finance. This modular designs allow us for easy update if we want to add any new sentiment later or plug into the agent loop also. So where the Streamlit will Plotly use the ticker inputs and view results from the front end, and the back end like where the agent coordinate to fetch and analyze the data. The Y Finance market also provide real-time market and company matrices. Next is the output, my general output for this report. Let me show you the demo how it can be made. This is my uh, data for now. After creating that, giving a stalker input ticket, we came to it give us the generate report for this, the overview. financial report summary, like indicates the report, the date, recommendation, risk level, etc. We can show as this is chart for 5 years data and with the close volume and MA100 also. Next, the financial report with the date and recommendation, whether we have to hold. Hold means neutral stance. The advisor investors to retain their current position. Risk level is 8 out of 10, indicates high risk investment also. The risk profile is medium slash high, which reflects the balanced yet elevated risk due to the market and operational factors. Next thing is that this section provides a quick snapshot for decision making, aligning with agent tool for goal of deliverable actionable insights. Next, we can know about the company overview for this, and financial rate ratios indicates high price to sales, like how much to 49 a market, like the market is placed as a premium for ionic future growth potential also. Return on assessment, like it says negative values indicates the company is not profitable from its assets and investment also. Debit to equity and uh, indicates a high level risk financials and risk factor for leverages. The market performance like current price and the year range and beta. So beta 2.592 indicates like stock is more volatile than the overall market, aligning with the tech standard trends. The analyst recommendation give us a buy. It indicates the optimism about future prospects, contrasting with the hold recommendation, possibly due to the short-term risk also. Uh, the risk assessment, like who are the competition and technical risk, financial risk, regulatory risk. These are the things they are considered as a risk assessment for this company. The growth potential, like expanding the market, strategic partnership, who are all can be used for this, and technological advancement. These are the growth potential for this company. And the competitive landscape, like IBM and Google, Microsoft are the three are the quantum computing companies which are the competes with the IONOQ. So from conclusion recommendation, like the output demonstrate the financial stock agents capability to deliver the detailed structured financial insight visualization, the integration of Y finance data, crew AI analysis, and streamly display the works effectively through improvements on real-time data synchronization. The real-world use cases like uh, retail investments who want to quick analysis, they can be used as a tool for this. And analysis who need summaries for meetings also, they can be used for this tool. And students learning finance with structure output, they can be used for this also. Conclusions, the biggest takeaway is the energy between the AI and the finance. AI can automate what used to take hours. GPT can understand and write financial narratives. We can now generate real-time insight without being a financial expert, and the system is modular and extendable. So future features like new sentiment and earning call integration are just one agent away. So I plan to add news and sentiment scrapping, earning calls, summaries, portfolios, and watch list features, API support for continuous monitoring, dashboard with KPI also, and fine-tune model with finance-specific data. This is just a 1.0, the roadmap for this version. Thank you.